Hello, Internet. It's Chris over at Arbutus RV here in Nanaimo. I've got a fresh consignment in. It landed 5 minutes ago. We haven't even had a chance to wash it yet, but the condition speaks for itself. It's a 2021 Lions Paradigm 310 RLS. It's a beautiful, call it 35-foot overall, rear living fifth wheel. Let's take a peek. So Alliance has been coming on hot since they arrived on the scene, taking shots at the likes of Montana and Solitude. And what they're doing with this Paradigm unit is trying to compete. And I gotta say, they're doing a fairly good job. So this one, as I said, it's a 2021. It does come to us on consignment. It's in beautiful shape. 35 feet in total length. You're gonna have a gross vehicle weight rating about 15,000 pounds and an unloaded weight of 12,500 pounds. So a little bit on the heavier side. So 30-pound propane tanks, there will be two of those. You've got your water and hookup station over here, which does plumb in from underneath. Looking up here, you've got your hot and cold external shower port with spray nozzle down below, an external pump. Battery disconnect switch down low, which is nice. This unit is going to be equipped with automatic leveling. The owner did upgrade for solar on this one. This does have a more traditional hot water tank. We are looking at, don't have my glasses on. It is a 12-gallon, so definitely a much larger hot water tank on board, which is always nice. For external accessories, I do see slide toppers. That's always a nice touch. Coming around the back side, they've got a backup camera up there. You've got a ladder to get to the roof. Hitch on the back with 4-pin wiring harness. Good if you're wanting to transport bikes or something heavy on the back. This one's got two large awnings on the side, both with LED strips down the side of it. So this will light up quite nice at night. Solid steps to get into the unit. And here's where the magic is. So this is a beautiful rear living design. So they do this kind of faux, live edge kind of a look, which is really nice. I do like the chairs. Two of those fold up really easily and storable underneath the king bed. You've got a recliner here that is powered with a fold-out couch here. And then opposite the recliner is going to be your entertainment unit. They've upgraded the TV on this. That is an LG. I'm going to assume a 4K. Don't quote me on it. And then you've got the big fireplace down below. That is electric, of course. And then your AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth stereo system here with HDMI connections. In the kitchen area of things, you've got a nice sized island here. Huge drawers, lots of storage space underneath the sink here. Wastebasket, stainless steel sink, residential style faucet with detachable spray nozzle. The big one here too is just look at the size of the oven. This is not much smaller than the one I have in my home. Propane powered, of course, 4-burner cooktop. And then up above, I believe this is going to give you a convection microwave. On the refrigerator side of things, it is a Norcold dual mode fridge. So this will run off of 110 or propane. Regular refrigerator down low. And then you've got your dual freezer doors up above. And then tucked in the corner over here, you've got a lit pantry. Very cool. Coffee bar over here. They put the 110 outlet down low, which I kind of like. There is a light there. You got controls for your TV booster and Wi-Fi here. And then your panel for your solar controller. Up top, they have these cubbies right here with a USB port. So you can leave your phone here charging, with cabinet storage up above. I just noticed too, there's more of that accent lighting actually over there. And then it follows all the way up too. So just the lighting effects inside the Paradigm is really nice. So when you come in the door, you got a little cubby down low, which is a good place to kind of store your shoes. You'll notice a little port there. That's going to be for a central vacuum system. Not bad. Porcelain toilet as you come up the stairs. Really, really good job on the residential style shower. You got a bench across, nice fixtures up above, and a skylight for those of you that are a little taller. Down low, you've got an epoxy resin countertop. This looks super, super sharp. No scuffs, no dings. Very nice. Good amount of storage in there for your towels and whatnot. And then even down low in the vanity, you got more space, but no actual medicine cabinets. Just keep that in mind. Up above for venting, you do have a max air fan, and controls for that are on the tower. In the bedroom, as with most of the paradigms that I've ever seen, king bed. Just always a king bed. I love that. On either side, you're going to have two 110 outlets and USB ports. You've got windows on either side of the bed, and the back window, they're all open, so you can actually get a nice breeze cutting through here if you don't want to use the AC system. Borderline walk-in closet here, tons of space. And then in each side, you've got space and plumbing to put in a washer dryer as separates. So washer on one side, dryer on the other. You got a little footstool here to kind of sit down or get ready on. Next to that is your dresser and drawers. One thing I like Paradigm does is they do these little kind of storage cubbies up above the dresser. Just looks nice. You have a Sanyo TV up above there, and then some rows of coat hangers on either side. So again, just really well thought out unit. It feels heavy, it feels substantial. Definitely feels like luxury. And then just a quick check on the panel here. So you've got active tank heaters. I don't see pre-plumbed for genset, so unfortunately not. If you're looking for that, you're not going to find that here. But then you got your 3 slide controls, awning controls, it's all there. So as always, I want to thank you for your time and for patience for watching me do my thing here and fumble along. But if you have any questions or if you want some more details on this trailer, the numbers to follow. Take care, guys.